This includes the following locations: Wisconsin State Capitol, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest. South Central Wisconsin, Greene County in South Central Wisconsin, Western Rock County in South Central Wisconsin, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:35 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Glarus to near Winslow, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, New Glarus, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Dayton, South Wayne, Browntown, Attica, Cooksville, Judah, and Avon. This includes the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.